you tomorrow!
Today's lesson is how to use commas, periods, and semicolons.
What is a comma?
A comma is a small pause in a sentence. It helps break up ideas so the sentence is clear and easy to read.
Use a comma to separate items in a list, like apples, bananas, and grapes.
After a starter word or phrase. After lunch, we went to the park. These short pauses help the reader take a break.
And before joining words like, and, but, or. I want to play outside, but it started to rain.
In contrast, a period is a full stop. Use a period to end
A complete thought or statement. I love to read books.
command or instruction. Please sit down.
Abbreviations. Dr. Smith is my teacher.
How to use a semicolon.
A semicolon is like a super comma or a soft period.
It helps connect two sentences that are closely related. Example, I love reading, semicolon. It helps me learn new things.
When not to use a semicolon. Don't use a semicolon to connect incomplete sentences.
We hope you learned something new today.
Like and subscribe to our videos.